Welcome back to our channel where I review the best app to help you make money online. Today I have an exciting app to share with you called Pop Shop Shopping. This app claims to offer a daily earning potential of $3 to $5. So let's dive right on it and see how it's work. Hi everyone, let's take a quick look at what Pop Shop Shopping it's all about. It's an official platform that allows you to earn commissions by completing daily withdrawals tasks. Remember, you must sign in every day to eligible for withdrawals. This is a platform of Pop Shop website. First, how creating the account. Here you can create an account on Pop Shop website. Simply open the website and click on register account. Enter your desired username and password, ensuring they meet the requirement we just mentioned. Meet requirement of 10 characters of username and password of 8 characters. Once you have done, click on register. Link in description. After register the account, login from here. I have an username and password. After register and login your account, first download the app. Here click and download the app. Download for App Store or APK file for Android. Click on Android. I have an Android. Download. I have already downloaded. After download the shop website, click on and install it. Install. After scanning the virus, open the app. Allow. Confirm. No restrictions. Confirm. Confirm. Download apps. Smart Assistant. Click and use Smart Assistant. It's warning, but this app is safe. Okay. After giving the permissions, you just log in your account. Enter username. Here the interface, click on the shop. Now again, log in the username and password. After login the account, now that we have the app installed, let's open it and understand its features. Take a look at the different sections available such as the home page, such as the automatic orders, task. Here is the automatic orders. When you click on automatic order, successfully. I earned today $0.03 and now submit. Here my account balance is $58.43. As you can see, the home page provides an overview of available tasks and your current earning. The task section shows you a list of tasks you can complete to earn commission, and the earning section keep track of your earning over time. Alright, I have completed all tasks, follow the instructions and earn some commissions. Remember, it's essential to complete the task and instructed, or you may not receive the commission. Congratulations on completing some tasks and earning commission. Now let's talk about how to withdraw your earning. Here how you can withdraw. Choose your preferred method. I select USDT TRC20. This is my wallet address of deposit TRC20. Copy it and paste the wallet address. Remarks, if you want to remarks any USDT 20. Set. Save successfully. Now click here amount. Here you can withdraw your money you can earn. And there you have. It's remember that you need to sign in every day to be eligible for withdrawals. Set the withdrawal amount. Withdraw immediately. Input one password. You must have to log in your account daily, continuously 5 days, 4 to 5 days. And there have you it a detailed introduction at Pop Shop Shopping and an app that claims to help you earn $3 to $5. Remember to follow the instruction to complete.